biang lete.
Ada itu kalau buat
Tapi saya
ngalabo ayo ngalabo banyak kan pada apa ibu nak kendaraan siapa
function dia sejak kita tentang ada suka
dah
dia kata
mereka sebab minum penduduk sampai ini satu channel
long này em bật ai xì kiều kìa long này em bật trên ai lằng xì kiều chứ hả em chỉ là đơn hàng này học bộ mà đang mình chỉ là đơn kỳ quạ văn vụ xì kiều hoặc là mệt y thế long oke tuh dengan ad ikin aja orang mah
kabar by the way. Apa ya?
Ini tunggu ketiga itu kamera di mana ini? Nanti tinggal bisa. Ini nanti nakap pun sa. Ini
Nang ni ngila kabar mangi jongka party be.
seperti kayak gini.
Ano kan. Oh, siapa? Bilang naman so. Oh, nang to. Apa yung bilang to? Mazuma.
Kanina lang live ya.
Nang ni na din naka.
Check itu. Kan betul.
Kani karawan to ayu deh. Karawan normal dah kata. To up shopping kan cuma.
Oh,
Așa. Nanti kau biar saja zoom mah.
saya suka tahu. Terus live itu kan so.
Nah, siapa tu buat video tu semua? Sana. Boleh tu nak cari cepat cek. Nah, should be bukan. Tapi ini tempat apa lagi? Mungkin sudah apa kau betul lah kamu lihat dia. Ini jadi mana dia? Kata kau ini apa ni kau meli UK apa tu deh? Biar mahal UK tu. Nak komen dulu, open juga kamera. Apalah air ini? Karena kan kayu. Bateri ini sebenarnya. Bateri.
Iya.
Baru mah kan ya. Kamu begitu aja.
English pun pi bro.
คำเราทำไมเราเนี่ย
Ya. English pun pi pai ba bro di stop notification ke service kan sedang nak di up saya cepat saya cepat saya sedang nak minta kila bun di pai ba di lawan ni di up saya cepat. Oh, sorry.
juga teman. Kita steng, terus sini steng kadang lagi teman. Kita sini steng kadang lagi teman. Kadang lagi bagian.
Dalam tempat yang kita tempat ba besyong syuki soha besyong hak ni syuki kat kibadat kini syong hak ni syuki dalam tempat yang volunteers kini syong hak dia anak
Anak-anak mah. Kering. Pas first day, pas first day. Weng nista nih, weng nista. Weng ini mah, weng itu bu sir. Merah ring ya? Kenapa ring nggak usah? Kenapa ring nggak usah? Offsha, pelip sah. Pelip itu yang terlalu kalau lebih.
Cocok kabamet kerawan misal abdi lambro
Sim mana? Curing ke, naik penki belum? Dah. Tur kami sedang, tur.
Gila yang short bu, bisa ben. Sat bak sat. Sat kong sat. المسيح خمسة بقى خمسة كميات صوابع خمسة
kita salam
Pesentil. Hah? Diam tu bantau. Kan ini film ni.
Tadi ke space, ibu nak kata official memang kami ini situ bayi.
Kita akan berkor dengan mengucapkan tentang jawapan sedang lo ya kedeka. Jing pendon burung kalau kadu ya ini Dr. Ricky Ejasengkan.
BPP.
Kita akan berkor dengan di Palpa Baro kita lihat Wan di lingkungan yang mau lay mau don mereka bani akan kesini Baro kawai bila ia kepada Wan hangi atamadan bantuan burung kadu yaitu Dr. Ricky Ejasengkan ngapriang semua yuki baro sya kene ke cimocap don burung kabakadu ya IMP budon burung jongi iba lakladno hake jingklat kau kendir haka kak kedai di Februari acara purriu ngapriang semua ya ki pastor ki teman besan di khot komiti balang bat ki wei patru ki noyalam balang ki reudon burom nakalian jong kasolkar bat kumjuru i deputy chief minister cabinet ki minister ki MLA ki MDCs bat ki officer jong ka government jong ka Meghalaya ki leaders jong ka BPP ladadon member na ka parliament nantay ki bayat relang bati nantay na dehu ki supporters, ki paralog, bater pang nagaying Jong i Dr. Ricky Ejesington, Bangangit pinasya sitom, hai kalikapor, na kabenta kali ka service kabaginyo ringkat Bali Ejesington. Nakabenta kita gimus sumutu ikasi nga syukwa kandiat niya kabangu kren hai kalikapor. I, on behalf of the Sumer Presbyterian Church, thank you all for your presence in this funeral service. For the last rite of our beloved committee member of the church and our benevolent MP, who had passed away suddenly on the 19th February 2026. Pastor, elders, committee members of all the churches and other church leaders, the dignitaries of the government of Meghalaya, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Cabinet Minister, MLAs, MDCs, the officers of the government, leaders of the BPP, members of the parliament, colleagues from NEHU, the supporters and friends, especially the family members of late Dr. Ricky Ejesington, I beseech you to bear with us during the funeral service, which I will be conducting in Khasi. Ningpong nginios ngou hakri kapor hachwa binsdang ni kechingaseng ya kechin pren na kini kinong pren bangilakan bet hakri program nataliang kechnong nanihu naga government of Meghalaya naga seng BPP Nanta nataliang jong kaying Banginyo sumawuro ya kecing may kerpang na Master Kersoy Melimpada. First of all, we will hear this speech from local Durbar of Noster, NEHU, Government of Meghalaya, from the BPP, and then from the family. After that, we will hear the special song from Master Kersoy Melimpada. So at this time, I call Ngakot Harikapor Ngakot Magaliang Jogasdong Bilin Ay Yagi Chingkren.
Pastor Paplia ya kene service. Kibaye serum ki jantam baki le Dr. Ricky Singkan. Baki we oban hardiri waper claim the jail pretend manusia le kapor dia ma komplit itu tempat itu ya sobol akan joki tahne ngai kita pagi tapi ba upaya ulang job kabriu neutral hati ni kelas ni buat hasil kerja khidmat kinau sunong jod sunong sder kinau longkang untuk di pos ni lo Pat bampala unprian baka kerja sisa. Habar niyo kecintir akatu kamiat lapentir senga dari osi jol komnyang PS nasnap simpan ngapala unprian. Hadir ngaposang waking tip narunanen baki pinti kena ba kakubor kalau kasisa. Ngamna pemudur ngajau umat ngakhlamun ngelaksia kamiat ngakeli Koblai balik panjia pune ngagai kini yang kini hidup ketian Koblai balik panjia pune kawan ketipasial sangat kawan bursir mejuai pakomi kini ketian bahkan longkong monjome hakndo pembahane nakakaraw sepundano pakaliru kadisya kamon besobu khaddo mo Koblai Koblai lampung yang sentiu berkenaan jokari si jantia ini juni hak per hanus dia hangrai habar pasca mampu itenang melakitno merasa per ini juni kemudian Yesus orang tekila dikentir ngisami esadang kami juli hak sekali juni hangrai menjual suatu sawit pak doktor ini ejasengkan kata tikna ngamla antir jini kejumpai dari juni selesai yang menunggu juli upaya kerjaan engkau nilai makni doktor Ricky menuju hati iladon kerja dulu poli pajui ilakhir lakembang katnyo krasnen ilasnai kayin bat lasong asa bat kamtam anda haba ila siri kekam sakit ba belum mengikmat sepadan lasa berseni menen ngelakukan lembah selomil dari pet itu sibuk ke balon detail senakan ngelakukan kartu por te Nindang sudah kembali pakai om, kemudian baru kepercayaan diri kasih jantia juni kini berkisahki. Namun kapsul barang pun berbeda kembali pak. Kublai air ya kata kacaka kepada dawa atau kahimah sungguh. Kublai siapa
pastor program kira si pastor ini dengan bahasa kena yang jang di balang kena mengher jadi chief minister pertama baru kami kira minister presiden berulang jangka Voice of People Party Pak Aden bersama KMLA, KLDC, Kedan Nomor, Officers, Perkantam, Mani, Kiri Pebak, Kedan Mani, Kilompa, Kilomkumi, Ikna Sama, Bak Ikna. Ngam semua penduduk, ngayen Mani, menikmat namuka ke sekolah North Eastern Hill University, Kebanga, Natrai, Lambat di Dr. Ricky Sinter. Ningkongnya yang terpang kesini sekolah, kesana, ya Dr. Wendy, Pak Cliff, dari Kondroni, kibadai, kiparas lagi, baru kibahaya masam, jong iba Ricky. Kemudian juga kekhia kadap, terkait solusi pengadaan yang punya amat tinggi. Banyak kan orang kerjanya day, kerjaan Dr. Ricky Singan, bat ke sekolah bat nihu. Kerjanya day juga bat ke sekolah bat nihu, lasdang, hausnya terkenais pak dengan pusat, Apa ila join ya ke program MA in Economics how to STEM. Barangkali ada yang kuliah STEM terkenal sepak dengan ila join kot ya ke program Masters in Commerce ada juga school ba STEM terkenal sepak dengan kuliah. Barangkali ila pendek tu ila PhD dalam Department of Economics. But ila join lu kum lecturer ne assistant professor. Ha ke Department of Commerce sampai school ba ha usnam A. Kumta John Dr. Ricky Singhan bat ke school ba ni kalau orang pelak live usnam kum unang boleh kum unang kai bat kum alumni John katai school ba Komunong hikay, Dr. Ricky, ilang ibakit, ban hikay, ibakit na iye, bat ibabiyang mga subject, bat specialization kabayi ilang. Bat ontang komunong hikay kung supervisor, ilagay ke bon, ikna, bat samot lagi, kilala kung pendap, yakapi isi, habo ke supervision kejami. Nalor kakam hikay, Dr. Ricky Singhan, iladang kebentaan kebakraw dengan penyiar, ya Department of Commerce, kamu head in charge. Baru iladang kentang haka university level, komiti kebakraw, kebanganong mak anjel keteng huni mal kaji juna kapor. Netang gawai na sekolah mapai huni kalau mbak iladai coordinator, jong ketaka sel. Sebab ai dengan kai ya kita kumnu ko kinle ya competitive exams bakila on pass bakila bak kumnu coordinator jo mereka GDC program la bonusna hendai hajin perkhidmatan kajingnos yang jadi barki Dr. Ricky Singhan ya ka university nolor kali ko pangapule kalau pa umar kajingin jungi kalau gobek kejilong jui dalam boha, ilalong umuksa bobiando, urong model bobiando, nampak ikna pule jui harga kesulba. Parontang ikna pule yang ngaru ubah hikay ente, beri kebun bilang hikay ente. Namar ilah hikay ini, no bagi day benong, kibriu, kibatit briu kiblay, kibadong kakor, kibohan kiblong, bagi keren ni way. Daka buburom, bagi dia kamai dahok. Tukum ta, iba Ricky, Dr. Ricky Singhan, ila ai kecing sakti, kebabiang tam ya ke university. Habai lajak kum MP, kecing sakti kami ke university kamu sudah ikut. Nomor ilayai keren, ya kita ke university of parliament moki bitip. But like dulu you minister to education but iki officials. Hantai ya Delhi. Banyak keren yak jing ha jing miak jong ki nong pre nehu. But kunjur you kawai ke sender bukan nehu kawai ong ka IC SSR NERC. Dan kini kita pernah Oktober Dr. Ricky Aponi yang bin. Namun yang seperti yang ngaku akan wan bagi kedua ini dengan mana dia mengang. Semua ai por dia ngapon Ricky la pipa itu dengan orang yang yang kuat orangnya. Nila song lagi kenta menyekan. Kumno man kendai. Laka kam hentai ke university. Badi ka ong yang balana pindan kam kunung kecing yarak kecing kesan. Ngadon mga adali. Sufon yang suteks ngande ka kabal Kumta hakiting klano jong Dr. Ricky Singhan. Nila do om tangi nongkai. Ubatibet ubabarok ni Om tangka unong ekrela kulit, henry ngilagu, ya unong kesan, ujongi, keskulba, hakat por bangi dadon kami, ya bong kesani, habang ya nama kecil kopi gitu. Kuntang ke university menen, ya penong ya ka condolence meeting, kata kecil meeting semalam, barok kinoi bat kina kuli kisah, nilai donlang, nilai penpau kecil snosi. Nilai keren sepang contribution ke sini, jelas senang ini.
But yang ayu ka jing sunglam ka jing program yang bahaya masa di para limba lagi. Soalan berikut kimia kalian cuma. Ngalai curi pada tinggal urusan kimia stok dengan kusau. Habang ia sedang lakukan kulit. Hantai miru ka MA Economics. Nantung yang hingkai lang bagi kunci guest lecturer at Department of Commerce. But hadirin pat ila join usna arajar al nga arajar lain at Department of Commerce at Department of Economics. Dangsian ngalap teksi pengaong barki ngai kulai pi nama PhD kami barki pisim namda kami kerja kerja namda kerja lama gaya. But menkat kulai terik ila pak masih cenga yong bin borok kedai kejingrap kebawan naulai. Pertumta kejingkeli kebumi akpat ni kuat kolom. Balai kau balai. Balai ni uni uriu kau. Komuni uriu. Ubang ini kimi nanti. Bau ai kejing sakri. Kepada jerong ai ni. Uriu bang iya kat mensir. Uriu ni buram borok. Ini buram. Balai balai. Ulasim no iru. Baki ilong uriu iba jam balai. Iba ia kecil boleh. Berkunta ke depan, nasi papan pengenal ini, nak air kotor, nak sekan sambal, nak kitab sambal baang, nyau aku kerah. Ikan boxing dia bong, akrai, melong kerah, melong belahi. Baki tian cuma kita bayarnya, bak melak pulang. Yaki eke roha yushak ni zome. Ngane kalong puntai bangki di dokter henti segera. Bau belai yang kita ketemu. Ulah pendap. Yaki eke ulah pulang. Ha kejingin tu bangki. Berulawan bersama ini. Hendak kejing pulang ketemu belai. Ya kejak pendek pasti janja. Ya kene kejelas ni. Kampat pun. Ublai unyai jutang. Unyai sei gibril. Iban bedeng ni kakam Baba Dr. Henti second class dan Bat ulong nuksa namta sini barok berhatam Bakumno om tangan kesan pertai Hunai kejigin sini bersimet-simet Hakikam dijam sini bersimet-simet Yin buat yang nuksa Jong uni uramba Uriu prau Uklo kali Namta kurang dari Amin.
Nangkong tadi ngepor ngakulai pasal pengiai yang kenal servis. Kayeng kasem dari Dr. Ledriki MP Bram Jogi ki pastor kirim balang nak balang pengiai servis bersingkia. Aku boleh bersyukur manusia berai menjaga dunia berpeluang in the service. Kiri rumah bawah different sections of society. Ministers, MLAs, MDCs, Dr. Mukul Sama, who is leader of oppositions. Kilong Kemay, Kilong Kpa, Kisamla, Kisamhain. Kipai bak baik batham jong MP Bram Jogi College Mulai Kelawan Nakalim Jaga Bansulan Polisi Bakado. Presently Nakalim Jonga ngampat dari penduduk musim dari Toriki. Hari I'm very fortunate to meet him twice, thrice in few occasions. Ngai kendu you kung masibana isabun pagiging pagong ito ini. Kamtam magpamit bigla ngayon ako kumanius tel. Point of phone away parang dito ni Masoma is a sad news. Wabi barong berjungi umron so hangis lah do pertai kapan shock ya. Sipang na so ngamla iso ban krendo. Nomor beliau bukan harus kenduk ahli power berada.
Tak akan mahu kelas ditimbai 20 airport jauh English Delhi. Pengkawai ten masa halang dhar duty ship misal jongi. Tong ini abo ika parti syaruk ngintay ka state ka jongi. Kata pendung ka pensa mo nga hanay nga berkat ba unik kloy nga iswa ka dokter kay. Ngiti blur baro uburu bodon ka kadang. Uburu bhamsen balere. Uburu experience in different fields. Nado karong kumunong hikay. Uburu ba eight you brain ba ten you brain. Uburu ba mark experience in different directions. Kamtam sungguh yo tak kendiat. Kung berubah ba hadin pula antar sa kapal kaya. Handai uday unuksa. Yang ini kuno malang berjaya berada. Kejing yap jong api jongi undai kejing tu tangi kejing kejong. Kamtam hingga stage hi barok away hingga gomeni barok away. Kamtam ni sama dengan perkam kumun balang kumurul model kamtam beri sama jongi. Langsung pu baik lagi jong doktor ki. Kimna penting ini mah. Handai dengan bo kajing dua yang terakhir dalam bandar. Un ai kita bor mesin berpikir net banyasya yang dicukup. Ni barok ni dua yang bapi, pakai state barok kau itu dalam bapi. Kunjung asutu kajing dua undai tanya political party kebunuh. Balingi kum geriu jo pasti barok kau ini dok yang crowd. Hakan ni kapor langsung tu ngidor kapukan ni geriu lomba kawan ni di state. Sikun tina ten yang di luar tak English. We are deeply saddened by the untimely demise of our honorable MP of Parliament, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sekon from Wonshilong ST constituency. His loss at the age of 54 is a great sorrow for his family, for Meghalaya and for our nations as a whole. On behalf of the state government, I offer my heartfelt condolences to his loved ones during these very difficult times. Late Dr. Sinkon, a scholar, was born on 6 January 1972 in Laimukra, Shillong, and studied at Senilwan School and Laimukra President Schools, and later graduated from Shillong Commerce College. He went on to complete his master degree in commerce and thereafter earned his doctorate in economics from Northeastern Universities. He was a highly qualified man who used his qualification not for personal self-interest, but to serve the society and, more importantly, for larger interests of uplifting the state of Meghalaya. As an academician, he guided students with passions, humility, and care and entire public life with a genuine desire to serve the people of the state. He used his educational qualifications and knowledge by contributing to different educational institutes. Dr. Sankon transitions into public life shows his unwavering desire and passion to serve the people of the state. He was the founder, member and general secretary of the Voice of People Party. He went on to represent the one Shillong parliamentary constituency in the Lok Sabha, and Dr. Sankon entered public life in 2023. When he contested the assembly election from Umsung constituency as a candidate of the Voice of People parties, and he then contested the general election 2024 from Shillong parliamentary constituency from the VP parties, where he secured a resounding victory, thus becoming a member of the 18th Lok Sabha. In remembering Dr. Sankon, I want to personally highlight how resolute he was in raising the issues that matter most for our states, always speaking with clarity, courageous, and convictions on behalf of our people. He traveled the length and breadth of our states, meeting with farmers, women, youths, elderly, and listening to their problems and striving to watch them. As an MP, he consistently brought intellectual depth, integrity, and unshakable commitment to the rights and developments of the northeastern regions as a whole. A man uncommon faith, humility, and compassion. Dr. Sengkon lived his principles both in public life and his private life. He did grassroots connections, shaped his lifelong advocacy for indigenous rights, good governance, social justice, and transparency. These were personal convictions he carried into every forum he stepped into. And also, Dr. Sengkon raised some important issues in the Lok Sabha, movement that reflects not only his deep understanding of the issues facing Meghalaya, but also his unrelenting courage to speak for the people at the national level as well. Dr. Sengkon constantly champions cause directly affecting the lives of the early citizens. He raised urgent concerns on long-pending moral issues from time to time, and also he keep raising the problem raised by our beloved farmers in the state of Meghalaya in the parliament. In parliament, he did not shy away from addressing institutional and administrative challenges. He voiced powerful concerns. Dr. Sengkon enriched the constitutional process of democratic debates by raising questions that touch a range of developmental needs. This includes the setting up of food crossings and value addition units in West Kashmir, and critical healthcare concerns such as the need for more CHC and PHC in Meghalaya. And he also raised issues related to MSME in the hill districts, recognizing the role in strengthening regional economy. His questions on AI education in school and colleges, digital connectivity in the northeastern region, and the operations of agricultural colleges in Meghalaya reflected his forward-looking visions. He also brought attention to topics like the establishment of the National Institute of Social Defense in Meghalaya, the construction of roadway, and even the iron's contents in drinking water, demonstrating his attentiveness to both major policy gaps and everyday life grievances. For this, the citizens of the region will forever remember him with respect, affections, and gratitude. His legacy as a leader who constantly stood up for the state will endure for generations. My thoughts and prayers are with bereaved families. May they find strength, comfort, and peace. May his soul rest in eternal rest.
Pastor ibu punya ada kedeka cincakri, kejadian gaba kado, naganda bariki, ki pastor ibu dan mereka ni yang kedekor, ki teman pesan, ki nongelam, san pertai, lembar ipi, ki pada ki beride, ki bawan kisnon. Kita prepare dan mereka agak jing syukri jing penan beram gak kado yang ni menolak kau juga jadi beri yang ini kapor suabangan yat syafran agak jing penan juga dan kita ada jing penan negara yang parti bangindon yang jing le don buram yang ni unong elam ujungi bahar ni kapor ngan thot no yai kong Janet's im bain ship shipor ban pnia yang ni gijin le don buram gijin nam dai Dr. Ricky bah hadin ngan sabteng paai ke jingkan ke semua.
Kumkadak berburung khadu ya Dr. Vicky A.J. Singkan, Honorable MP Nidan Hangi bertentang burung khadu bertentang ya lama kebangin ay burung khadu na Voice of the People Party. Hari kapur ngakhat ya President Ramba Anjoni Pak Aden Mila Simon Bani Vice President Dr. Kara Nasubha bertentang ya lama jong ke Voice of the People Party. Kadba Presiden dan Vice President idaftar ya lama lakerpan ya di MDC di Badan Burung di Jongi JNADC Badan HADC lengkap lang lagi official nilaian lang banai ke burung ke khadu ya i. Ini yang lang baru Tiha kali kaporu Vice President barang ba ajuni in ai ya usentiu bakhadu ban pendan puram ya Dr. Lee Toha kali kapor ngidan ringkat bat Minister ijongi bat ha kali kaporu nakaliang jong kesorkar nikhat ya Deputy Chief Minister singa bahalang dekhar ba in ai ya usentiu bakhadu ya Dr. Vicky hadian kini nidan ya Dr. Mukul Sangma Leader of Opposition ba in ai ya usentiu hadian jokani midania ipa Meral Bon ibade MLA jokanongko constituency in ayo sentiu bakhadu jongi Hakari ka poin dan daman baha bait lamari MLA jong ka Umroy constituency Didan hai ba Charles Mangal jong napo Kamauhati constituency Dr. Shibon, Lepisa, Bat Subhat Minsyong, Hakali Kaporno, Hidandu na kaliang jong ka State Women's Wing, ni President jong ka Women in Subha Bantu Yaw Sentio, hadian kata ka State Youth Wing, East Jaintia Hills, Dai President, Ngabib Hoi District Bak Mathir. Nangta lagi MDC jangka JHADC jangka Voice of the People Party. I call Mr. Richards, MP of Mizoram. Nidon Nakaliang jangka District Administration DC Jogin Ribhoi. Ban ESP jangka District Ribhoi. Banaka Voice of the Garo Hills, Voice of the People Party, Garo Hills Region. Bun kita ro abat hakami kapo nidan ka condolence message na iba Delhi iba day is kaki ban kuli ya ka condolence message na kabenta kayin kasem jamili Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan.
Oh, selalu kami.
Baiklah, Ustaz yang diinginkan. Yang ini adalah yang begini mengenai conference messages. Dari kisah di conference messages di Kerwosoyan di Labun. Mereka tidak berkulit terlalu aneh but di Palma mereka di senyum berpihak di luar Islam di sama di sekolah di colleges di university di Kerwosoyan di ministers di MLA di senyum berpihak berkunjung untuk district council dan KCDC dan GCDC bagaimana mungkin kuliah dengan ajitan atau kali beli dengan kuliah yang ini di Kerwosoyan. Kau berikong Kerwosoyan dengan kuliah dari New York na speaker yang dari Lok Sabha yang dari India na umrlah Bapak Umne Miss Kong Wandaji. I am deeply saddened to learn about the untimely passing away of Dr. Ricky Andrew Singkonji, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha. Dr. Singkon was a dedicated public representative who remained deeply committed to the welfare and aspirations of the people of Meghalaya. His journey from academia to parliament reflected his devotion to education, service of communities, and nation building. His passing away is a great loss, not only to the people of Meghalaya, but also to the nation. He will be remembered for his significant social and political contributions. In this hour of grief, I extend my sincere condolences to the bereaved family, friends, and followers. May the departed soul rest in peace, and may God give you the strength and fortitude to bear this irreparable loss. Om Shanti, Om Birla. Istighfar berkulit, kering jauh ulat jauh jela, Governor Chandrasekhar H. Vijaya Sankar. Dear Miss Wanda Talian, it is a deep sorrow and profound grief to learn untimely and sudden demise of Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan, Honorable Member of Parliament from the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency in the 18th Lok Sabha on 19 February 2026. His demise is a great loss, not only to the people of Meghalaya, but also the entire nation. Late Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan served the people of Meghalaya with sincerity, humility, and unwavering dedication. His legacy will continue to inspire us all. At this moment of profound loss, my thoughts and prayers are with you and all his family members and loved ones. I pray that the Almighty God give you all courage, strength, and solace to bear this irreparable loss. May his soul rest in peace. Warm regards. Condolence message, Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. On behalf of all the members, officers, and staff of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, I would like to express my deep shock and grief to the untimely demise of late Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan, an Honourable Member of Parliament from 1 Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. It was within a short span of less than 2 years that he represented the state as a member of the Lok Sabha. We witnessed that he has been able to address important issues and taking up discussions on matters which are of interest for the state, not only inside the Parliament, but outside the House also. We could see in him the man who stood for the truth, transparent in his dealings, and always accountable. At a young age of 54 years only, his straightness in taking important discussions with national leaders, the state started looking up to him as the man who can bring the state to the limelight at the national level. Late Dr. Ricky Sinkan did not seek power to rule, but responsibility to serve. Though he rose in humble life, never rose above the people. He led with integrity, humility, and courage, serving without compromise. For him, democracy was a sacred responsibility, and every discussion gave the hopes of the common man. A life dedicated to the people never ends, for the true leaders leave behind footprints of service. His sudden demise, while actively engaged in sports, reflect his energetic spirit and love for life, even amidst his demanding public responsibilities. I pray to God Almighty to reward him an eternal rest and grant the bereaved family strength, courage, and comfort at this difficult time of grief. Thomas A. Sarma, Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. From the Office of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, I am deeply saddened to learn of the sudden demise of Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Singham, the Honourable Member of Parliament representing the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. His passing is a monumental loss to our state and the people he served with such dedication. Dr. Singham was far more than a political representative. He was a man of rare integrity who bridged the world of academia and public service with effortless grace. In the halls of the Lok Sabha, he carried the voice of our people with a quiet, scholarly dignity that commanded respect. In our neighborhoods, he moved with humility and warmth that endeared him to all, regardless of their walk of life. His journey was marked by a sincere desire to lift others, and his untimely departure leaves a void in the heart of Meghalaya that will not be easily filled. We have lost a statesman, a thinker, and a compassionate friend. On behalf of the people of our state, I extend my most heartfelt condolences to his family, friends, and the lives he touched. During this hour of immense sorrow, we stand in solidarity with his loved ones, praying that they find the strength to bear this loss. May the legacy of his kindness continue to inspire us, and may his soul find eternal rest in the peace of the Almighty. With deepest sympathy, Conrad K. Sangma. Kini condolence bayo no Giriraj Singh, the Minister of Textiles, Government of India. Respected Dr. Ricky A.J. Singham ji, I am deeply saddened by the untimely passing of Dr. Ricky A.J. Singham, Honourable Member of Parliament from Shillong Lok Sabha constituency. His demise is a profound loss not only to his family members and loved ones, but to the state of Meghalaya and the people he served with unwavering commitment. To the family members, Kumakadu Kumanturin Kere Beliau adalah Parlok Jongi Bayron Dekat Kadeli Ketua MP Saleh D. Sangma. I am deeply saddened by the passing of Dr. Ricky A.J. Singham, Honourable Member of Parliament from Shillong Lok Sabha constituency. Dr. Singham was a God-fearing man whose life reflected his deep faith in Christ. Through his words and actions, he inspired many around him to walk the path of righteousness, humility, and service. His public life was guided by values of dignity, honesty, and compassion, setting an example for all those entrusted with public responsibility. Together, we carry the hopes and aspirations of our people at national level, and his absence will be deeply felt in Parliament and across the state. I extend my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, friends, and loved ones of late Dr. Singham. May his soul rest in peace, and may the Almighty grant strength, comfort, and solace to all who mourn this great loss. With deepest condolences. Shri Saling A. Sarma.
Mahbang dia walaupun palagi na asyuban kan dia kapor ya ni pagi berapa sunong nang sede maka ko akan aguran kadu yo studio but kita dulu lagi district administration di kafir di badan tentang administrasi dan program di Soha balwan ra ini studio seni syahman udah
I understand that there are many non-Catholic friends who are here together with us, which also include Mr. Richard, Member of Parliament from Mizoram, and others. On behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I would like to express my gratitude for being together in our midst in condoling the sudden demise of our beloved Dr. Ricky A.J. Singhal. I would also like to request each one of you to bear with me as I am going to deliver my speech in Khasi. Wendy, Clifton, Donnie, Ella, Jade, Daffy, Aiden, and Elena. Kibalong, Kibahaying, Kibasunda, Pam, John, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singhal. Adik kapor, naslori rayu suayu gay. Ubalatusan, yaki para kijay pariki. Ubalatusan yemi kibeda nasna jui. Bagila baniyeng kuni kumagilong. Adik kapor, pemerintah bagilong bantuan belum kadui. Kumbat lagi par. Ngam sore bagilong bagi snosi. Nama kakarau nganum jit banong bangas snosi. Raya sore banong bagi penuh palat. Sore banong bagi tinjak palat. Balai nampuak manong bagi snosi. Balai snosi hawa uhuman juni, ukuan juni, upersa juni, unoyam juni, urayo yagalat balek jaga ka bakamha banyak bangi ini mentah. Yang dengan snosi, apa yang jiblu termakau, apa yang jibinjak termakau, wanita urayo la balek aswa juni, jaga ka bakamha ban ya kawa ini mentah. Apa banyak tu kini kuno bagi Dr. Ricky. Lagi kuno bangang rayo banyak penunang. Kei kepada ini kami diperlukan. Ada Voice of the People Party. Kei bangang rayo election usian aja katpa. Kalau tahu hal kejumut kejiberkat, banyak iro yang ni ketam syiri patwa, lima kesan percaya. Henry, ini ukurok ubie ujian. Orang balwa yang ada punya apa. Bagaimana persanggu nimpong he. Ada yang merasa jiat kumpulan hausnya malajar pernah. Asgofu bahkan dalam dua pakai linci kalau orang jintiu yang ini ri kebetulan lagi. Kalau orang itu siapa yang jadi, lelaki nak orang rakyat susah berkara terkuat. Dia mengatakan yang sedang yaitu clean politics campaign hausnya ada siapa. But they have to afford pengasaran dan identify lagi dan teknik ini orang pak. Jadi kita harus pak bersiapkan. Kita apa yang kita berbiru juni, kita baik, kita akan syariat, ban jauh lagi, begini minor semua, nama kata kapor kata toy, kita beri baik, in meet syakmat, menikah, impor nanti hari kita cek ni, pada kena husnul ahazar syibul, abang lagi penipu ini hari ini saat ini apa, boxe. Jika kita bersumpah, kalau diu udon berapa diu apa? Naik pamai jihunnya, nama yang badan, jika kita pindah ke bentar, ada jika bandar ke bentar, ada jika bandar ke kamhikai, bahkan kamu boleh ikan syutiu. Hateng-hateng mengenai duk ngalah persyambi batong beli. Henry Im Snow bakata kalong na badai. Day tak pernah hadir uadupa. Bahasyan. Bagday hangat kapor ka klipat kabangan lapatak ban ino. Ibariki lawan dari kenduk yana. Baga kenal suai kenangi kena tuwi gini ya beliau. Hapo rinsa. Yang badan ni dalam company Songha. Ngaron-ngaron. Bau beli air support. Yang ni syakli bakau. Banuan, bangai nasi ni ahal pun kata ko. Kabangan sini kalai bangan don tasu. Kalau perhat syarahi. Ndai dong badan kamlong bapin sangi. Kamlong bapin ya kali kakam bin hak ban perhat ha. Tadi kapor kabangan don ring bejik kim. Jong kaji kya juga jiut ke jiut ha. Bat ngalapnom. Balai lagi bertulipat yang nagawakung kata kaji perhat no mesin. Kabangan sultan. Ban syabri. Yang tadi pekerjaan dia nama Nabi berandang tanah kelenci. Ublay bersanjur yang tadi pekerjaan dia. Assalamualaikum you blay. Bahwa say nothing exact the region in the voice of the people party. Yang syabri wakau. Yang nongelam wakau. Uberapay na credential hakari India barakaway. Bat uberapay jirong. Umapi baro. Jingan was sulit. Wadali nga babha. Jingan barakan syanya. Wadali jikli. Shisha dan pintu. Begini kan. Jadi kebaca. Ray. Oh, kadang kejingan beliau. So kumanon. Banuma bujrishu. Mengingat ubay dari jitu. Jingku pemabhatam naranta jangi kumka jatri yasi kalau ka jingku ya jatri bangilde balesting habu lay usay di brio barshakling brio ibane ka jingkikli bangilde basu sarang suti papa namala kawan ka jingka atau kumgan akan pangat Sim, bukan di pada kibuan dan tujuh hari di kuda. Asal tu yang jiran mensim jadi. Berang, gilang tuntoi kenongi. Sisa isu tu kau payah ubah crowd, ubah kan, ubah kelemok na perinjoni. Batum ke parti, abangi Ifrei, dari isu tu, kenongi bersah, kata kenongi belai ke bagi jom. Yang nama dia pen, larang kuno, nama ia orang rakyat dan sisa cakap. Baru orang mereka pun, baru kapati menin, jalan, yang jiran slogan, conference meeting. Harga kita bon, kita malam, kita fat, kita pun power, kita kan, bantu mau dan fighting, yang jiran jiran malam ujung. Patung kapati, shiver ke rai, I a conference message, sha, evendi, bagi orang kita ada tinggal macam pergi. Bagi shiver ke jitu, bagat ma, banwara yang jiran, hari ini jelas gaji kan numpak kot, jiran no, kerja doktor ini syakmat, kalau gaji pendemar ini berinjeng dan nongeng teruskan. Barang pencerahan sisuk yang bersiap jenci ke sini. Dalam malam, tulai subun, yang boleh berari, yang boleh syakir wakau. Bang ini, bang ke AK, kalau boleh umak bandek, yang kita kikam di wakau. Lalu boleh umat, bantin kil, yang mungkin beriu, amdan menunggu lakukan. Lalu tahu lupa, kami suah. Orang yang jitu bantin kil, yang syakir wakau itu bakal biti ijazahkan. Mereka orang penong, orang pilihan itu. Boleh membentang voice of the people party. Banjak MP na strong parliamentary constituency. Kami kaspa, kami kanam, Nagi jingit. Kabang minang juga yo. Ontang naga jatrio ji. Nagi giwenu ji jatrio. But itu baru kita mulai dulu di jingkai kami itu utaku naram jing. Ong isno kan anyo kita yang pun ni kapor. Pan yende bantu yensin. Nganong ibu yende ban sosi. Nga penuh pa nganong ibu. Nga kencak pa nganong ibu. Udong General Secretary ada jadi peringkat mana presiden. Pada kecil turun kita. Sanslem yang peringkat. Kampatan tu wing kesin kemudian turun ada jadi keren. Ada jadi lagi orang yang sandu ni kapat kecil. Tunggu longing. Kapan tu lusa kalau bahaya yang jatuh. Bagi yang peringkat kecil orang siapa. Dan kecil burung markerian. Aka pupung kata kapur kemudian slotna kita kesan ulah shimo na prenjoni. Karena mau lagi isi apa ikan ikat tu tadi tu kemudian makna orang lelaki boleh mana syongkat awan layu boleh apa boleh dia ni apa punya ni apa syariat how boleh wahai body kita akan di konflik yang di bawah kamukia. Teman-teman Krisno, yang ini ke condolence message, kawangi kuat mahal nak kalian jumpa parti. To Dr. Wendy Nisya Fabian and family, Pope Sexual condolence message. It is with profound sorrow and deep grief that the voice of the People Party mourns the sudden and untimely demise of our beloved leader, Dr. Ricky H. Singh, Member of Parliament from the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, founding General Secretary of our party, and a guiding light for so many across Meghalaya and beyond. But Ricky was a man of vision, integrity, lovable, and a humble servant of the people. Elected with the trust of the people in 2024. He performed his duties with unwavering dedication, compassion, and a rare sense of purpose. His leadership was marked by courage, empathy, and unshakable belief that politics must always be anchored in service and love for the community. As a devout Christian, Dr. Ricky carried his faith not merely as a personal conviction, but as a source of strength and moral clarity in his public life. He often said that being a Christian in politics is a challenge that he accepted with conviction and humility. Through his words and actions, he reminded us that faith and public service can work hand in hand, uplifting, healing, and uniting. His life's work was a testament to his belief that leadership is not about power, but about sacrifice, compassion, and stewardship for the welfare of all. He inspired many within our party, across political divides, and among the countless citizens whose lives he touched. He was loved, respected, and admired not for the titles he held, but for the sincerity of his heart and the courage of his conviction. His sudden departure has left a painful void in our hearts, in our party, and in the state as a whole. In this moment of profound loss, we extend our deepest condolences to his bereaved family, whose pain we share. We pray that God, in his infinite mercy, grants them strength, comfort, and peace that surpasses all understanding. May his soul rest in eternal peace. While we open them up, I would like to remind from a scripture which can be found in the letter of Timothy 2, chapter 4, verse 8 to 9, in which I strongly believe that Bariki is saying now these words. I have fought a good fight. have finished the race. I have kept the faith. So now, crown awaits me. The righteous crown is awaiting him. Alele jile ero maha. Riye jile. Na pendep ke jile ero. Yang antara kini, apa yang siap berburu. Beliau tak boleh itu. Bismillah.
Kublesimun pastor berniat lingkungan, ini masuk makan macam masuk haram. Bagian berkian juga parti VPP berborok mesti berlalu. Shawan keren, naik kuat, naik mau Ukraine, Ukraine kerak. Bang Isyakri, Ublay UAM, Ublay Ustad, Ublay Gijin Kermen, Ublay Gomjuin ini. Akipor barok menyerok you. Tu Ublay unang aing barok yang kepor, mansyak ini kesikap lindung. But hagani kepor di jenis musik, kebujur, yang ini, yang beriye. Kejingdu no ini human beri dan mesin. Kejingdu no ayu rongga berairam ini beriye. Bertelah ini kinusah berhatan berimbut beringin begini. Yang keren ini adalah keren. Thank you so much, Pastor, who's leading this meeting. Thank you to the Ramashno of Nosdare, Masnya Hana, Bahaden, and all the members of the VDD who've spoken before me. Thank you everyone who's here and who are sharing this brief with us. From the bottom of our hearts as a family, we thank every one of you who are here and supporting us and giving us courage. I'm the youngest brother of the family. Most people don't know me. My name is Clifton Andrew Jones St. John. Ricky was my eldest brother. And I stand here to speak on behalf of the family, on behalf of my sisters, Wendy and Donnie, Tay and Nini as I call them Donnie, on behalf of Jake, my brother-in-law, my niece, Ella, my wife, Daffy, and my children, Aiden and Elena, and also on behalf of Dodo. I'll speak in Khasi for the first part, and I'll do a translation in English in the others. Ngari para kadru dari Dr. Ricky, bagaikan namda yang sem, namda yang juga di Kongwandi, orang Khati Tikai, Idoni dari Khati ini, Jie, Kenung juga, di Ella, di Kusa, di Lok juga Dafi, Kikon juga Eden Badalina. Nga kuat Shawan keren. Dan I ka message ki jing ai kublay jing ai mo juni kublay yeng na lungba ni sipala ilok ikon but nakin yang ke bahaya marok but kumda na ko akan ai jing kublay ye jeseng but balon prepare kalau wan hungin but tu ipapat condolence messaging marok kiseng balang berkelan-kelan di bawah di Relang, NGOs, dan kita beri support. Yang Krishna, Bahajan,